Well, the weekend rains left most of us definitely needing more, but there were a couple of narrow swaths in the southeast metro and also some of the northern suburbs that saw a very narrow area of 1 to 2 inches. But the real jackpot was southeastern Minnesota, a swath of 2 to over 4 inches of rain in southeastern Minnesota. So we still have pockets of areas that are in a surplus, north central Minnesota, southeastern Minnesota, but generally here across south central Minnesota through the Twin Cities, western Wisconsin, except for a couple of those lucky spots over the weekend, running deficits of 4 to 5 inches behind for summer rainfall so far. Those storms came with some severe weather south of the Twin Cities. The blue dots are wind reports. There were some wind gusts, some hail reports, and one confirmed tornado in far southeastern Minnesota in Houston County. The La Crosse National Weather Service office determined that an EF0 tornado with 81-mile-per-hour winds touched down. It was on the ground for about 4.5 miles, 40 yards wide, mainly just north of the town of Houston in Houston County, southeastern Minnesota. So a little active weather there, considering it's been pretty lackluster for the rest of the summer up until this point. Spring was very active, and then it just kind of shut down. High pressure sitting over us today, but we are going to have some clouds streaming in, partly cloudy skies today. This is ahead of the next system that brings some moisture tomorrow. If you're looking for rain, though, this is really not going to be very impressive for the southern half of the state. Northern Minnesota will see more numerous showers, even a few thunderstorms tonight into tomorrow, and that's where the rainfall totals will add up. Our best chance probably comes in the evening of a few showers and thunderstorms if we can get some of those to develop. Energy levels in the atmosphere won't be real intense, though, so mainly just some rain showers, which is a little odd for the end of July rather than thunder. But up to a ½ inch to an inch of rain could fall over areas that are doing good for rainfall around International Falls. But the North Shore is starting to dry out, and some spots there could see some rain. And then we're talking about the heat and humidity returning as we start August. The 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center has a big bullseye of very likely hotter than normal conditions right over Minnesota, the Dakotas, Iowa, and Nebraska. So enjoy the cooler weather while we have it this week. A little cool blast comes in behind tomorrow's system. In fact, maybe only 70s for highs on Wednesday, Thursday for the Twin Cities even. 60s in northern Minnesota, but watch the heat. It's building back in from the west. This weekend, you'll notice the difference. The last couple days of July look to end on a hot note. Upper 80s Saturday to near 90 by Sunday, and then maybe we're in for a string of 90s next week. We'll see if that pans out, but it does look either way that we're going to start August hot. And all indications are that August is going to be yet another hot month. Pretty much all the models agree on that, and no reason to think otherwise. There's no cool air around in the northern hemisphere, and plenty of heat domes to deal with. Low 80s today, pretty nice. Again, we will have kind of a mix of clouds and sun as that cloud cover increases a bit off to the west. A few showers, cloudier tomorrow, but yeah, really not much in the way of rainfall for the Twin Cities area. And then showers north on Wednesday, Thursday, but dry here in the southern half of the state. And then heating it back up, 88 Saturday, low 90s Sunday, and again, much of next week looks pretty hot.